In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a website in Mobirise using templates. By the end, you'll know how to log in, start a new project with a template, add the essential elements you need, and tailor everything to match your brand. First, log into Mobirise. Open the app and sign in so your projects stay organized and synced. If you haven't used it in a while, make sure you're on a stable internet connection so assets load smoothly. Once you're in, you're ready to start fresh. Next, create a new website. Mobirise will prompt you to choose a template, and this is a great starting point because templates give you a professional layout without building everything from scratch. Browse the options and pick one that aligns with your goals, whether that's a portfolio, a business site, or a landing page. Pay attention to the structure of the header, navigation, and sections so it fits the kind of content you plan to share. Think about your brand personality too. Minimal and clean, bold and colorful, or something in between. After you select your template, Mobirise takes you into the builder. This is the workspace where you'll customize your site. You'll see the live page in the main area and a library of blocks and elements you can use. The builder is drag and drop, so you can rearrange sections and quickly shape your layout. Take a moment to hover over areas and notice editing handles and settings icons. You'll use these to fine-tune each section. Now start adding elements. Drop in buttons to guide visitors to key actions like contacting you or viewing a product. Keep button labels short and clear. Add text blocks for headlines and body copy. Aim for concise paragraphs and scannable subheadings so your message is easy to read. Insert image blocks to showcase products, team photos, or case studies. Use high-quality images that reflect your brand, and keep file sizes reasonable to maintain fast load times. If your template includes features like galleries, testimonials, or contact forms, you can incorporate those as needed to support your content. Finally, modify the template to match your branding. Update colors to your brand palette, adjust typography to a consistent font pair, and add your logo. Maintain contrast for readability and keep spacing generous so the layout feels balanced. Ensure your tone and visuals are consistent across sections and align buttons, icons, and imagery with your brand style. That's it. You've logged in, created a new site with a template, added essential elements, and customized everything to reflect your brand.